Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I got the chance to sit down and film a video. I think it's been about 2 weeks. It's just life has gotten so busy, especially the weeks and the days leading up to Christmas. You know, I've just been so busy decorating the house, going to different parties and gatherings, even doing a lot of last minute Christmas shopping. So yeah, that's why I've just been so busy and I haven't had the chance to sit down and film more videos. I apologize for that, but I am very happy that today I get the chance that I have some time to sit down and film a New Year's Eve makeup inspired look for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be using a new eyeshadow palette that I actually bought a couple weeks ago. So this is the palette that I bought a few weeks ago and I haven't even used it yet. It's the Maybelline Soda Pop eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be using a few different colors to do my eye look for today. So this is how it looks inside. You do get like a mix of matte and shimmery shades, but the focus for today's look is a certain color called Soda Fizz. It's this one right here. It's really like sparkly, shiny, and all like that glitter feeling for New Year's Eve. So I feel like this will be the focus on the eyes today. I have a feeling my look will be a little bit more on the dramatic side. I do want to create a cut crease for today using that really pretty shimmery shade. Before we get into the video, I just wanted to say to you guys, I hope you had a wonderful Christmas or even just celebrating the holidays, and I hope you have a wonderful new year. This will be the only video before New Year's Day, so it is technically my last video of 2019. I hope you guys have a fantastic New Year's and all the best to you guys. Also, one more thing, this video will not be a talk through, so I won't be talking through the video. You will be hearing a song in the background. I will definitely be showing you guys all the products that I'm going to be using in this video. So if you want to see the look that I come up with for my New Year's Eve inspired look, then keep on watching.